TVS updated the popular 200cc Street Naked in 2020. Now the company has bought in the 2021 version with a lot more tech. This includes riding modes and adjustable suspension. Hello everyone, I'm Rahul Nagaraj for DriveSpark, and today we have with us the TVS Apache RTR 200 4V BS6 with multiple ride modes. So let's check it out. Before we tell you how the motorcycle is to ride, let's talk about its design. The motorcycle features pretty much similar design to its 2020 version. It carries forward the same LED headlamps with the LED DRLs on top. It also features a sculpted fuel tank and LED taillights at the rear. The only significant cosmetic update we could find is the matte blue paint scheme, which has been inspired by TVS's One Make Championship motorcycle. Apart from the matte blue paint scheme, the motorcycle also features TVS Racing inspired body graphics. Talking about the riding aspect of the motorcycle, the TVS Apache RTR 200 comes with a fairly upright seating position. The motorcycle offers good amount of cushioning on the seats, and the raised handlebar further improves the riding dynamics. The engine on the 2021 RTR 200 is the same 199cc single cylinder oil cooled unit. It produces 20.5 bhp and 17.2 Newton meters of peak torque. The motorcycle offers 3 riding modes: rain, urban and sport. In the rain and urban mode, power and torque figures have been reduced slightly. In the rain and urban modes, the power produced is limited to 17.5 bhp and 16.5 Newton meters of peak torque. However, in the sport mode, the RTR 200 produces 20.5 bhp and 17.2 Newton meters of torque. The engine itself is mated to a 5-speed gearbox with slipper clutch at standard. The BS6 engine is extremely refined and offers good amount of performance. The gearbox itself is slick and slots into position nicely. There is no jerkiness whatsoever while shifting through gears. The TVS Apache RTR 200 also comes with adjustable suspension. Both the front and rear suspension can be adjusted for preload. The motorcycle also comes with adjustable levers which can be set to meet every rider's requirements. Talking about the engine performance itself, the RTR 200 offers good amount of performance at the low end. However, the mid-range could have been slightly better. However, push the bike post the 6000 RPM mark and the bike does come alive. The motorcycle is quick to get to triple-digit numbers without any stress. Braking on the motorcycle is done via pedal disc with 270mm disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear. The motorcycle comes with dual-channel ABS as standards. The brake itself has a sharp bite and offers good amount of progression, bringing the motorcycle to a halt rather quickly. In terms of handling, the 2021 RTR 200 is extremely nimble and agile. The 151 kilo curb weight on the motorcycle makes the bike extremely light and flickable. This also helps the rider make quick changes in direction. Talking about the convenience factors, the RTR 200 continues to feature TVS's glide-through technology or GTT. This technology allows the rider to leave the clutch at low speeds without stalling the motorcycle. It works best in the first 3 gears. In the first gear, the speed of the motorcycle is limited to 7 kmph. In the second gear, the speed is limited to 19, and in the third, it's limited to 25 kmph. So we've ridden this motorcycle a fair bit, and here are some of the things we like. The first is the engine. The motorcycle comes with a 199cc single cylinder oil cooled unit producing a maximum of 20.5 bhp and a peak torque of 17.2 Nm. Second is the adjustability options the motorcycle offers. The bike comes with front and rear suspension with adjustable preload, along with adjustable levers. Third are the brakes on the motorcycle. The RTR 200 comes with pedal disc at both ends and offers dual channel ABS as standard. Fourth is the connected technology the motorcycle offers. The RTR 200 comes with the brand's Connect Next technology, which allows the rider to pair his smartphone with the instrument console, offering a host of more information. Fifth is the 5-year standard warranty the motorcycle comes with, which helps reduce the cost of ownership. While there are many things we like about the motorcycle, here are two things which could have been better. First are the tires. The motorcycle comes with TVS tires at the front and Eurogrip tires at the back. While they offer good levels of grip, we did feel it could have been a bit better. Second is the side stand. Funny enough, the motorcycle doesn't come with a side stand engine cutoff, which is pretty common on most motorcycles these days. So there you have it. That was our take on the 2021 TVS Apache RTR 200 4V BS6 with multiple ride modes. Hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to DriveSpark for more updates.